हेलो एंड वेलकम टू कैश फॉर क्यूरेट्स। आज हम मेट्रो एक्वा लाइन एक्सपीरियंस करने वाले हैं। पहले तो गाड़ी से ही जाएंगे, कहीं पास की लोकेशन में गाड़ी पार्क करेंगे एंड फ्रॉम देयर वी विल बी मूविंग टू द मेट्रो एक्वा लाइन एक्सपीरियंस। तो ये रही मेरी गाड़ी और अभी हम लोग चल रहे हैं। फिलहाल पहले हमारे कैमरामैन को पिकअप करेंगे। हमने हमारे कैमरामैन को उठा लिया है हमारा व्लॉग रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए और अभी हम जाएंगे हमारा मेट्रो एक्वा लाइन जर्नी स्टार्ट करने के लिए। आपको जर्नी दिखाएंगे ऐसे लोकेशन से जहां से कन्वीनियंटली हमारा ट्रैवल हो पाएगा फॉर अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस। सो लेट्स बिगिन। तो अभी आप जो देख रहे हो ये एंट्री A1 जहाँ पर आपको लिखा हुआ दिखेगा उसके सामने वाले ही एंट्री से आपको अंदर आना है टू कनेक्ट विद द अंडरग्राउंड मेट्रो। अभी हम उतर रहे हैं टुवर्ड्स द अंडरग्राउंड मेट्रो मरोल नाका से और हमने टिकट निकाली है। अभी हम B1 की तरफ जा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर आपको डायरेक्शन दिखेगा कफ परेड का। तो वी नीड टू कम दिस साइड टू बोर्ड आवर ट्रेन फॉर। So now we are heading from the Marol Naka metro to Siddhivinayak metro from the underground metro Aqua line. Now we are heading out at Siddhivinayak metro station. So we are going upwards from the underground metro. Please follow the directions while you head outwards from the metro station. The temple is right in front of the metro station. If you take the exit of A3 on the Siddhivinayak metro station, you will be heading out exactly in front of the Siddhivinayak temple. So we have just took you through our journey from Marol Naka to Siddhivinayak metro through the metro line 3, which is called the Aqua metro line, the underground metro line, which was long awaited since a long time and which is finally open for us to commute, and this commute has got so easy for us. So we are able to travel such a long distance, and trust me, when we went through all the stations, we actually observed that every other station was just on 1 minute distance from the other. So if you are commuting from central line to the industrial areas like BKC or maybe Kaf Parade, or then if you want to get to Siddhivinayak temple, then the commute has gotten really easy. It connects you from the Andheri to Versova to Ghatkopar metro line that connects
with this Metro Line 3. So it has got very easy for the Central Line economic public to commute with the South Mumbai. So you can commute through the industrial places like BKC, or then your Siddhivinayak Temple, Cuff Parade, which is at the other end of the South Mumbai. So please do opt this. So coming towards the payments for booking the tickets here, so you have the ticket counters which are totally operational. You can make a payment through cash, you can make a payment through your UPI applications. There are also kiosks available here, but there is a little problem here wherein you face a lot of network issue while making your payments through the UPI apps like Google Pay. We tried using Paytm, that could work, but might be in some cases it might not work. So you have cash payment option, you have UPI option, you have kiosks available, you have the ticket counters operational. So the payment modes are quite feasible, and rest you can explore for yourself. Is a fully air conditioned metro station which gives you a very smooth and sufficient and very efficient commute from distant places. And hope you have liked this video. So if you have liked this video, then please do like, share, comment, and if there are any questions you have, then please do reach out to me and I will help you out with any of your queries.